My name is Jessie. Now I will represent my group to present the part of discussion, so that we know, based on the graph, we know that there is no trend and no seasonality in the data. So we have used the appropriate forecasting method of simple explanation smoothing to forecast the data. Let us start forecast the data. Okay, before we start to calculate, we need to write down the dates and the actual data, which is highlighted here. Okay, then you need to list out the forecast data, residual error, or absolute error, and the square error. Okay, this prevents you using the wrong equations. Okay, see the equation we can see here. Okay, we are applying using the formula, which is ft plus n equal to alpha multiplied by the xt plus 1 minus alpha multiplied by the ft. So we see that here forecast is equal to alpha times previous value divided by the actual value plus 1 minus alpha times the previous forecast. So the alpha equation is smoothing constant. This means that alpha is equal between 0 and 1. So for the xt equation is actual value now in the period t. So the next one is the ft. ft is equal to forecast value for the period t. Okay, this is all formula we need to use.